If you've ever wondered how to create CapCut videos using ChatGPT, you're in for a quick and powerful walkthrough. Let's dive straight in and show you exactly how it works. First things first, let's get the right GPT loaded. Inside your ChatGPT interface, head to the left menu and click Explore GPTs, or Search GPTs if it's visible. Once inside, type CapCut into the search bar. You'll see a GPT for CapCut pop-up. Tap on it to load it into your workspace. You're now in a CapCut-powered GPT environment. You can use it like any chat, but this one is tailored for CapCut-related tasks. Let's create our first video. Recommend some popular TikTok video templates in 2025, so in a matter of couple of seconds, he created a couple of popular video templates. By clicking, the templates will open it straight in CapCut for editing. So let's click this and edit. To edit it, we need some other pictures to replace them, because these are pictures put together to form a video with great transitions. I will use this site, pixabay.com. You can use any site of your choice.
Reincarnated, I'm a stargazer. Life goes on, honey.
You can export by clicking here to export after you have finished the edit. Here are other videos I created using prompts. Generate TikTok video templates that are trending on social media. I have already clicked to open them, so I will just show you a preview of what they look like.
You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. Buried in my soul, the California gold. Found the light in me that I couldn't find.
have to do is to replace the clips with your own footage and then export it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you, and don't forget to join the WhatsApp channel so you can ask questions and get feedback faster. Please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.